Okay, so hello guys, and welcome to this new episode of mobirise tutorials on IQ. Of course, I mean on WikiTubi series. Now, in this series, we are actually talking about adding maps in our mobirise websites. Now you kind of realize that for these modern websites, on every contact us page, you kind of have a map that really shows directions to your business. Probably if you have a customer and he wants to reach out to your business, maybe to hire your services or to come direct to your main office, you're gonna be, adding a map onto your website at least for customers to get directions to your business for better contacts and also improve your of course customer coverage. Now to do that in mobirise, actually it's very simple, but some people tend to get problems with it because adding a location or a custom location is actually not that easy. So let's go over it and we see how it's done. Okay, so we're going to start with a new uh, page or a new mobirise project, and then we add maps. For example, if I told you have your maps and you want to add the location on your map, your business location. Let me hope that probably you want to add the map in the contactors page, or you can also add a map as a simple or a full div uh, map, or you can just add a map that is actually not full page, and you can also add a map that is actually full page map. So there are very different types of maps you can add with mobirise. You can add a full div or full page. You can add one that is actually not full page, and also you can add one that is wide from end to end, which is actually better off because the customer can really see the location very clearly. Now that said, we're going to pick one of the maps as of course the case study, and we see how to add our own directions or our own address onto that map. Now I'm going to be adding some location which is actually an international airport. It's called Entebbe International Airport. So I'm going to be adding it to my map as a location, and we see how it's going to be working out. So step number one, you go over ahead and of course drag the map divs as just I've been doing, drop them in the site just like I've done. Then click on the directions. If you see now, this is the directions here. Whatever address you're going to be adding, this is the direction button or of course icon that is going to be being used by the customer to get to your business. So it's the direction that you're really going to add, and it's the address. The customer is going to be using the address, the direction to get to the address of the business. So adding that, you have to come here where we have the parameter, the of course the block parameters or settings, and then you can click on the settings or the block parameters. Now under the block parameters, you will see that we have map, and under the map we have a default location that comes along with it. Now we want to change this default location, and we put our own location. If you try to type in your own location direct, like in Entebbe Airport, it won't work because it needs some configuring. So that's why you have to come here to this section here below, type address or insert type. If you type, it won't work, so you have to add insert the Google Map in frame. So you click on this Google Map in frame. So after clicking it, it will take you to a certain page, which is actually a mobirise page showing how to add Google Maps into mobirise. But most importantly, it's actually a mobirise forum page. So you're gonna be scrolling down and you go to maps.google.com. So you follow this link and it will open Google Maps. Now once you have Google Maps actually captures your location by default, but you have to come here in the top right corner, top left corner, and type in your exact address, business address, where you want your location to be, or where you want your customers to know that this is my address, this is where I'm found, and this is how you get to me. So you type in your address. I said I'm going to be putting an address of an international airport, which is Entebbe International airport. So even before I finish, Google Map has already brought the location. So you click on the location, it will actually find it on a map, to reload and find it on a map. And once the map is available, I mean the address is available, it will find it in a map, show it here. But all you have to do to add it in your website, go on this of course navigation on the left. You will see a button or a favicon or an icon called share. Click on this share, and once you say share, you can just copy the link and take it. You will still be taking or share it on social media or to anyone who wants the location. You will still be taking the exact location, but now that we want to embed it in our website, we have to go for the embed a map. And once you click on embed a map, it will provide the IMAP, I mean the inflame or iflame IMAP that we really wanted, and this is the inflame code that we are going to be adding into our website. So you copy the HTML of the inflame, click on copy, it will be copied to clipboard, and now you can head over to back to your mobirise. And now when you come back to your mobirise, you paste the in-frame code that you've gotten from, of course, the Google Map. You paste it here, and once you paste it there, you're left with only one option, or one last option, is to click on update. Once you click on update, Mobile is going to be updating your location into the Google Map. Now you can see it has changed the default location to International Entebbe Airport. So we finally added our location into the Google Maps. You can really do the same with the rest. Very simple procedure. Copy the iframe. After copying it, then you update. Once you update, the location will update automatically. You can see it goes on to update the location. So it's quite simple. You just have to follow these steps, and you're done adding or updating your location on a Google Map. And once you say preview in a browser, it will bring the preview exactly with your location of your business, and therefore customers will be able to find your business more easily from the website just by looking at your location, then clicking on directions. Google Map will automatically lay down a foundation of an address from where they are to the point where to the destination point, which is your business this time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.